How to check if your iPhone is original or fake. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check if your iPhone is the real deal or a fake. It's a super simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to tell whether your device is original or not. First, let's check your iPhone's model number. To do this, open the Settings app on your device, scroll down, and tap on General. Now, click on About. Here, you'll see all the details of your iPhone. Look for the model number section. If the model number starts with an M, you've got a brand new device purchased directly from Apple. If it starts with an F, it means your iPhone is refurbished. And if it starts with an N, it's a replacement device from Apple. Next up, we'll use the serial number to double-check. While you're in the About section, scroll down and find the serial number option. Copy that serial number by holding down and selecting Copy. Now, open the Safari app and type checkcoverage.apple.com in the address bar. This will take you to Apple's official coverage verification page. Once you're on the page, paste the serial number you copied earlier into the designated block. Hit Submit, and you'll see all the details about your iPhone's purchase history and coverage. Finally, the website will show you all the information about your device, including whether it's covered under Apple's warranty and when it was first purchased. This is a great way to confirm whether your iPhone is original or fake. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to check if your iPhone is original or fake. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.